Hello बच्चों, let's see the question here. Ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen atom can be represented as. So here we have four options. तो start करते हैं with key concept of this case. हमारे पास given क्या है? नाइट्रोजन एटम. नाइट्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 7 होता है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या हो जाएगा? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3 here, and we know that all the unpaired electrons, they are aligned in same direction. का मतलब क्या हो गया? अगर यदि upward spin है, so it will be upward for all the unpaired electrons, or it can be downward as well. That is, spin same होनी चाहिए. It cannot be like कि अगर यदि unpaired electron है तो उनमें एक की spin upward है तो दूसरे की downward है. This cannot happen. So here the spin representation, this is for 1s. So here we have 2 electrons in this case. Next we have 2s. Here also we have 2 electrons. For third, that is 2p. In this case we have 3 orbital. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं यहाँ पे पहले अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फिल होंगे एंड उसके बाद में पेयरिंग होगी. सो दिस कैन बी ईदर अपवर्ड और दिस कैन बी डाउनवर्ड एज वेल. बस जो डायरेक्शन होंगी वो सेम होंगी. ओके, that means if we see the options here, for the first 2 electrons opposite spins are given in all these cases, that is 1s और 2s electrons के लिए है. Next for 2p electrons, A that gives same spin and D also give same spin. But in case of B and C, here we can see spin are not same for all the unpaired electrons. Hence, for this case, A as well as D both are correct. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.